Logan considered himself a social media genius. At least that's what he told everyone on his TikTok bio. He didn't have millions of followers yet, but he had dreams and a flair for dramatics. His latest idea? Fake a fall in a public place, film the reactions, and post it with a dramatic caption like POV. Life hits you harder than Monday. Simple, relatable, and potentially viral. It was a bright Saturday afternoon. Logan scouted the perfect spot, a busy plaza with enough foot traffic to guarantee witnesses, but not so many that he couldn't control the scene. He positioned himself near a slightly uneven sidewalk and took out his phone, attached to a selfie stick. The angle had to be perfect. The fall had to look accidental, but shocking enough to grab attention. He rehearsed silently. A stumble over his own foot, a dramatic swing of the arms, a pained facial expression. Confidence surged. "This is it," he whispered. "This is my moment." Logan took a deep breath and executed the fall, or tried to. At first it looked great. Arms flailing, face twisted convincingly. Few bystanders gasped. Some even pulled out their phones. Logan grinned internally, imagining the likes stacking up. Then reality intervened. His foot caught on a tiny crack in the sidewalk. His ankle twisted painfully. Logan yelped a real yelp and pitched forward. The selfie stick slipped from his hands. The phone soared through the air like a doomed comet. He watched helplessly as it hit the edge of a metal bench with a crack and bounced onto the concrete. The screen shattered into a spiderweb of cracks. Pain shot through his ankle. Mortification shot through his ego. Logan scrambled to his feet, or at least tried grimacing. Passersby approached. "Are you okay?" someone asked. Another added, "Do you need help?" Logan waved them off weakly, trying to salvage his dignity. He bent over to pick up his phone. The screen was completely destroyed. The camera app wouldn't open. Notifications froze mid-animation. His carefully planned viral moment had turned into public embarrassment and a minor injury. A woman whispered, "Was that supposed to be a stunt?" Logan's face burned. Sitting on a nearby bench, he nursed his ankle and inspected the phone. The cracked screen reflected a mixture of panic and disbelief. He had wanted clout. Instead, he got pain and humiliation. A little girl peeked at him curiously. Logan forced a smile, but it was weak. Even the universe seemed to be judging him. By the time he hobbled home, Logan realized the irony. His quest for online fame had failed spectacularly. No viral moment, no trending hashtags, just a broken phone, a bruised ankle, and the memory of several witnesses laughing silently behind their hands. That night, he posted a short story on Instagram explaining what happened, trying to salvage some humor from the disaster. Comments ranged from laughter emojis to concerned messages, with one stranger writing, "Next time, just trip over your ego." Logan chuckled bitterly. They were right. As he lay in bed, he glanced at his shattered phone on the nightstand. It was a small monument to failed ambition, but also a lesson. Some things weren't worth faking for likes. Some falls weren't meant to be staged. And sometimes, chasing clout could literally cost you a phone and a little bit of dignity. Logan vowed to be smarter next time. Maybe sketches, maybe harmless pranks. Definitely no more fake falls. And maybe, just maybe, he'd finally learn that viral fame wasn't worth breaking himself for his devices.